Salman, are you gonna understand Zulu? Sorry? Not? Okay. Oh yes. Yeah, you can understand Zulu. Okay. I greet you all.
In the name of Jesus.
In the name of Jesus. Ngiyabingelela nonke babethu ngokuhlukahlukana bey'khundla zenu. I can't mention you by names, but I know you all. I'm Khuzani from KwaZulu-Natal, Enkandla. I'm the Maskandi artist, well known as Maskandi, the president of the Blue Nation. The Blue Nation is my, I don't know how can I call it, society, or how can I call it?
The fandom. Yeah.
Sorry? Oh yes, it's the name of the fan base. They used to call themselves Blue Nation. The color represents Khuzani. Because in Mascandi there are different colors. Some are red, some are green, some are brown. Mine is blue. When you talk about blue, you talk about Khuzani's fan base. As one of my leader there said earlier that we, on March, we filled Carnival City. It was a sold-out event where I was celebrating 15 years in the industry. But I did not start there. I started in 2019 when I filled Moses Mabhida Stadium in full capacity. And I was young at that time. So I'm just telling you a story of myself, and so that you'll understand very nicely why they call me king of Maskandi. I'm so grateful to be a part of this panel. I feel honored to be selected to represent my genre. As you know, that Maskandi numbers talk on itself on digital platforms, specifically on Spotify. In previous years, we were underrated, we were ignored, if I can put it in that way. We tried to make it, to show everyone that Maskandi is a big genre. Because Maskandi is not just that we are singing, but we are passing the message. Since from, I don't know when, if I can say 20 centuries, where Mascandi started, they were, our fathers and grandfathers, they worked on the mines there. I'm telling you how Mascandi started. They worked on the mines there. You see, there was a lot of things in political space, in working space. When they were there at the mines, they just walked there with the guitars, reflecting their lives through music. So if maybe the boss, the boss is treating them badly, you find them singing. They're singing and they're telling people how are they living here in Johannesburg or wherever where they're working. Even during those times, there were problems in politics. You hear Abu Puza Kemisi singing the songs that Udlayedu Sebenzapi, Batampageli Jayami. They were talking about the tax for the dog. Where does the dog working? Why must I pay for it? You see? So Maskandi, it's a genre that passes the message. If you listen to Maskandi, maybe your problems can be solved.
Yes.
Yes, if you don't know how to approach a girl, if you are a man, if you listen to Maskandi, Khuzani can tell you. Like there is one of my songs that made a lot of streams on Spotify each year in 2020, and it was a song of the year to a lot of radio stations. I was singing there that some people, they are afraid to get married. But marriage is not a prison. Doesn't mean that if you are engaging, like you are going to prison, like you are no longer going to drink what you used to drink before. So I was telling people, telling them that it's very good to get married through songs. Through my song. So people loved that song a lot. So I'm here to thank you, Spotify, to give us this space as a Maskandi genre, because I can say now that without you, a lot of people maybe we were not gonna be taken as we are now if you did not give us this space. So because of Spotify, now people, they respect Maskandi channel because they know that Maskandi, when you talk about the numbers, they used to say numbers don't lie. So now they know that Maskandi is big, that Maskandi now you can't take it for granted. Because now their numbers can talk and can tell you that this is the genre for everyone. And I was happy to hear that a lot of 50% of the listeners are the youth, are the people under 35 years. That means there is a future in Mascandi. It's not the genre for all people only. Even the young children can listen. You see, there was a video I saw when a young child learning to speak. They use the songs to learn to speak Zulu. Yes, even dancing, trying to walk. They try to walk by dancing for the song of Maskandi. You see? I'm not lying. The video are there. Yeah. So in 2022, I started to do the all-white event where we were moving from physical to digital. We find it very difficult to teach our people to move from physical to digital because I knew that when I'm about to release the album, I have to tell. We have a branches. I have more than 100 branches with its leaders, whereby they control our fan base. We used to tell those leaders to tell the people the date we are going to release the physical. Then they put the money up front. So when the time I release, everyone will get the hard copy. But when times comes, Spotify comes and others came, we did not know how are we going to sell our music. How are we going to tell our people how to download the music from, how to listen to music from Spotify. So in 2022, I came up with the event where I said, go and listen the artists on Spotify, and the artists with the most numbers will be automatically booked on the event. I was trying to direct our fans to a digital space, and it worked. Because after that, all the artists, they were busy. I'm the one who made the million first than you. We were like throwing the weights from one another, because of the platform you gave us. And what we are now, and I can tell you that now they are fine. Everyone, they know now, after releasing my album, they know where to listen. They know where to go. And I'm happy that today Maskandi is not excluded from this beautiful platform. What you are looking for on Spotify, please come to us. Let's work together. We need to see you because we don't know you. We only know you through app. We need to see you. Come to us. We have the events, left and right, Maskandi events, sold out events. Unfortunately, I didn't know that you were going to have this be screen. I was going to come with my photos to show you and videos to show you. But go and Google about Maskandi event, you will see there is a lot of people who love Maskandi. All the Maskandi. When we say there is an event on this day, people they buy all the tickets. Come, let's work together. Come and sponsor our event so that people will now see you physically. That's my request to you. And the other thing, let's keep on teaching our people how to make their list, their playlist. I know there is a Bima Nation list. We enjoy it. They enjoy it. We all the time post it to them. But I'm requesting this. Please come to us. Please have collaborations with us so that it will be more and more and more streams on this platform. Yeah. I tried English. I don't know. Maskandi artist, how are we going to speak English? Now I tried and I got maybe. Yeah, you can say that. It goes.
Speaking directly about your experience in your work instead of being spoken about as an abstract concept rather. Now we're going to take some questions, but I think we're going to get through them.